Hey, to count steps on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can actually start one of the activity, for example, the walking, like this. There we go. And after this, you will get this measurements. So take a look. As you can see from this, we got distance, steps, and other stuff. But if you want to get like the steps monitor for the all day, it's actually measuring this data all the time automatically. You don't have to turn on anything. But if you want to get this information, you have to actually swipe to the left side all the time, then click to add the tiles, and from this you have to select steps. Oops, there's actually not this one. I have to get rid of this one. There we go. Click to add the tiles and select steps. And as you can see right now, I've got this steps counter. It appears just right here on the left side. From this, I can also find some other information, like I can set the targets and other stuff. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.